हो रही है, अपने कपड़े इस्त्री कर रही हूँ। 1 बजे हम घर से निकलेंगे और फिर फ़्लाइट पकड़ेंगे पेशावर से। मैं अल्लाह ने गिबान हो सारे घर का, सारे मुल्क का। तो इंशाल्लाह अब हम जा रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट। ज़ीशा हम जा रहे हैं।
शुक्र आप जा रहा है।
चलो अल्लाह के हवाले। ये सारा दिल दुख रहा है, घर को छोड़ रहे हैं। यूके से आते हैं तो वहाँ दिल दुखता है, यहाँ आते हैं तो वहाँ दिल दुखता है। बस ज़िंदगी है, 2 जगहों में बैठे हुए हैं। तो अब जा रहे हैं। अल्लाह ने गिबान हो सारे घर का, सारे मुल्क का, हमारा। और अल्लाह करे हम खैर खैरियत से यूके पहुँच जाएँ। तो चलो चलते हैं। बिल्लियाँ रह गई हैं, मेरे तोते रह गए, मेरे कबूतर रह गए। उनके पीछे भी दिल बहुत खफा है। वहाँ मेरे तोते हैं, मेरे 5 तोते, 5 बच्चे, उनके बच्चे, बीवियाँ, उनके शौहर। और यहाँ मेरे तोते और सारे मेरे बिल्लियाँ सब रह गई। अल्लाह के हवाले हो सारा कुछ, बस अल्लाह के हवाले। चले घर से निकलते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाह तवक्कलतु इल्लल्लाह। ज़ीशान सामान रख रहा है। कोई बात नहीं। पापा खान भी रेडी हो गए हैं। बहुत मुद्दत से इनको पाकिस्तानी कपड़ों में देखती हूँ, अब मुझे फ़नी लग रहे हैं इन कपड़ों में। For the first time I'm traveling with my husband. First time in my life. Isn't it? Me and Papa for the first time traveling together. How cute is that? But I thought it's gonna be a wonderful journey because I'm with Mr. Khan. But I'll tell you the story what happened. Oh my God, it was such a bad experience. So, but you know what? I still feel good because I'm traveling with him. So, you know, I feel safe and I feel complete because I'm not alone. He's with me. Allah's with me and He's with me. Bye bye Peshawar. Allah Hafiz Pakistan. Allah Hafiz. और अभी हम पहुंच गए दोहा एयरपोर्ट। और बहुत ही प्यारा एयरपोर्ट है, लेकिन बहुत ही मुश्किल से पहुंचे हैं। आपको सारी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी। तो दोहा एयरपोर्ट तो बहुत थक गए हैं, क्योंकि कतर एयरवेज़ के बारे में मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी कि क्या क्या हुआ। मेरे मुंह पे रश निकल आया है। और अब जा रहे हैं हीथ्रो। See you in London. I'm gonna record you too. Look at that. I'm doing it. That's there. I love you guys. Look, Mama's got fans here. Mama's got fans everywhere. Mama's fans noticing her on in the arrivals. Mama, your fans?
So many in.
Yeah. I haven't seen you in over 2 years. You know this.
2 years?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, Papa, I miss you so much.
the wrong line.
Is it? It's long, is it?
No, you have to come to the port.
Yeah.
1 o'clock.
Mama? Mama, wait. We bring halal burger for you. My Jan is here, and for the first time I travel with my husband. Oh my God! For the first time in my life. Really? Yeah. We never traveled together. How was it? He really looked after me.
It was good, easy.
Oh my God. It's so, you know why? It was really bad in Pakistan, but Alhamdulillah, it's good here. Like when we were checking in, Papa, isn't it?
Okay.
It was really bad. Look how brown I am. Look. You look so beautiful. I'm proper tan, but I like that color. My babies are here. Oui, my babies are here.
And my mom, we cleaned the house.
Oh my God, is it?
The only thing is the garden.
Garden bya gar shavi de. I'm not gonna spend £1,000 now for Mazia.
No, some of builders are.
But you know he's gonna do my kitchen as well.
This way.
But I don't want to work anything for good 1 month.
You won't.
Level.
Should be over
And
there.
guys, Papa say I'm gonna go back in 2 weeks. Okay? So sort him out.
What? Is it that way?
So we back to London. Look at my face. It's all sunburned. Oh my God, look at that. Oh God. Okay, anyway, I got a proper heat rush as well.
To go.
Super drive kai.
I'm driving.
Okay.
Just make sure you
De taraf tak kenam.
We need to put the
Okay.
phone in my lap. The thing, no? Put it in there.
Oi.
Mama, you're home.
Yay. I was missing my flower from my children. Look at that.
Love you.
Love you more.
You okay?
Yeah.
How'd you feel?
I'm so happy.
Good.
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, I'm so happy too. I love you, Mama.
I love you too.
Let's go get some food.
Flaming hot से आके अभी इधर सर्दी है बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है ये यूके का वेदर है उफ ये बेसमेंट में आ गई है मस्जिद है औरतों की साइड में आ गए हैं तो ये देखिए खुराक पाकिस्तान से आए हैं और पाकिस्तान का खुराक खा रहे हैं और बढ़िया लगी है बीड़ी वालों पापा खुश है कि बच्चों को देखता है 2 साल बाद और खाना भी देखते हैं ये आ गया है मिक्स अफगानी मिक्स करेंगे Wait. So,
Siddiq has just come.
say hi, Seed. Massaging his
Seed, hi, Seed. Seed, say hi to Mama's people.
Oh, wait. So,
Siddiq basically he didn't buy flowers, but he bought the Quran as revealed. The Quran as revealed. Yeah, Mufti Menk's thing. If you want to check it out, Mama will link it.
it's beautiful. I already.
Oh, see, let me have a look. What did you get then for the parents? Let's have a look.
I just bought some Islamic gifts in it. Some Islamic.
Yeah, well, they didn't.
My dad wants some Islamic gift.
Did you get that T-shirt yesterday from Thingy?
Oh my God!
Let's see, Mama.
Mashallah. It's so beautiful.
Look at that! Oh wow!
Wow! Look at that.
That's a really good gift, Seed.
That's the best gift, Sid.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Great. Okay.
Look.
Ooh,
So each surah.
So basically, this is a Quran. Is actually I think is associated with Mufti Menk, and it's got images in there. It's like an aesthetic, and also is in order of when the Quran, like the order of revelation. So this is a really good book, like for readers or like just everyone. I think it's beautiful, isn't it, Ma?
I'm going to read it day and night.